Hello friends, welcome in this video. Some websites are not accessible for you, and some websites are blocked in your country, and so you cannot get access to them. So there is a way to get access to these blocked websites for you, and the way is VPN. In this video I am going to show you that how can you get access to the blocked websites on your phone. So let's start the video. So friends, I want to show you with proof, and see, here is nothing. Here it is as general. My Wi-Fi is connected. Now I want to open a website named Mediafire. This is blocked in Bangladesh, and I am at this time in Bangladesh. At this moment I am in Bangladesh, and so I can't access it. You see, if I search Mediafire and then tap here you see, it will never come. I want to say it will never come in Bangladesh because my IP is Bangladeshi, and because I am sitting at Bangladesh. So to fix this, I have chosen the option of Mediafire. So, and to fix this, you have to go to Play Store and search VPN India. Okay, now here are a lot of apps, and if I don't search VPN India, if I only search VPN, here are a lot of VPNs that you can use, but maximum of these are paid. You have to give money. But for this VPN India and for this VPN, you don't have to pay anything. So I choose this, and you have to download this. I have already downloaded. Now I am opening this app. Here you see. Now I can use both I can use any VPN, but I am now using Indian VPN, Bangalore 3. Now I have tapped the connect to selected VPN. It is connecting. Here you see it has connected successfully. Now I am going to Mediafire. Here you see Mediafire. Now I am opening it. Here you see it is open. It has opened successfully, and you can use it for any website that is not blocked in your country, but you can open by using VPN. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, and please like this video, and please share for myself.